Hello everyone, this is Faisal once again. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can active your PayPal direct deposit option. You get this account number, routing number into your Wise Payoneer. Now you can active your direct deposit into your PayPal account. This is very simple. I am going to show you this. This is my verified PayPal account. I created it from outside USA. I am Bangladeshi residency, but I created USA verified PayPal account with my ITIN. So how I created it, I have video on it. You can check it if you want to know it. Now go to more option here and then click on setup direct deposit. In next time I will make a video about how you can get your PayPal debit card from your own location. If you need it, you must comment. Now go to direct deposit option. Now you need to upload few things. Here I will upload tax return. I am uploading it. I upload it and then submit. So this is very simple. You can submit it easily. If you are non-residents, you can get ITIN also as like me. I have video on it. You can check it. I got my ITIN from a website. They helped me for getting this. You can check the website in description. So this is the very simple way you can get direct deposit option. So that's all for today.